like any other field of psychology, where you're dealing with the emotional, behavioral, social concerns of individuals. It's just that it's specific to a school setting, so dealing only with children and adolescents in schools. I didn't have classes for more than 3 days a week, but because like mine is a research-based course, there were other things to do, like lab meetings or just working on projects with other people. So usually Monday to Friday gets pretty busy. We are allotted these courses, like we don't have to actually choose our classes, they're given to us by professors. So we don't get a choice with respect to what's mandatory and what's an elective and all of those things. But if it's something that, like, because I had done my master's previously, so there were certain classes that were common between then and now. So if that is the case, then they let you waive those classes. For us, they actually give us the courses, like they're assigned to us. So they kind of make sure that we're also taking courses from other departments and not just sticking to psychology. That is also possible, but I think that is given that I have actually completed whatever credits I need to in order to make the switch. I have taken some common classes or something to prove that I am interested in this other department and not in what I am doing. Each class, definitely the structure of each class varies because it depends on the professor. But typically, you have assignments and midterms and either like a final exam or a final project. Just try and make sure that you're doing things regularly. Also, maybe sometimes like smartly plan and execute it. Brush up whatever you've learned in the past, and like for subjects that are similar between like now and before. And maybe if you want to do like some online courses or something, but honestly I didn't do